Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the network credential error you are getting on your Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type local security policy. Click on open it. Expand the local policy and expand the security option. Click on it. On right side, limit local account use of blank password to console logon only. You just want to double click on it and set this to disabled. Select save changes for apply and OK. After that, close it off here. Now after that, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it guys. Now in the services you just need to search for credential manager. Type in keyboard C to find it. Credential manager, double click on it. Startup type set to disabled and select stop and select save changes for apply and OK. After doing it, close it off here. And now you just need to restart your PC guys, and after restarting your PC, check your problem solved or not. This solution works for more people on Reddit guys. If the problem persists, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. In the control panel search menu, you just need to search in here credential manager. You just need to click on open it and remove all the web and Windows credential. If any are listed, you just need to clear it up. After clearing it, your network credential error has been fixed guys. If none of these solution fixed your problem, then go to control panel and view by tool log category, select network and internet. Now select network and sharing center. On left side, select change advanced sharing settings. In all networks, you just need to expand it, and password protected sharing, you just want to disable this option. After disabling it, this will fix the network credential error you are getting guys. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.